Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about a body scrub from M Caffeine. This is the product. Before that, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon. By end of this video, if you think it's informative enough, do not forget to like as well. So let's quickly start the review. This particular scrub is known as M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a glass bottle with a revolving lid, easily accessible. M Caffeine is a Indian brand which makes which is making natural products for skincare and hair care as well. I've been using a lot of products from this particular brand, and the products are really good. So I would be reviewing them, in coming videos as well. So for the time being, this is what I have right now in my hand. This particular scrub is made of naked and raw coffee, which has a name as Arabica coffee, which is a very good form of coffee to be used on skincare. It exfoliates and smoothens your skin while using. Caffeine, we all know what caffeine does for us is it rejuvenates and it awakes our senses. So how this thing happens is because caffeine have a quality of stimulating your blood flow towards the skin. That's how your skin gets awakened, or your senses gets awakened. It also have a lot of antioxidant into it, which reduces the free radical effect, and it also have coconut oil into it, which moisturizes your skin. Altogether, a very good combination of ingredients, and for a body scrub. I'll show how the product looks like. A little bit of I have almost finished the product. I am using this twice for my whole body, twice a week. It's a dry powdery product which have a very strong smell of coffee, and the beads are perfect to scrub your skin. This is how it looks like. The beads are in perfect shape, and it's in powdery form. So whenever you want to use it, you need to you can use it in your shower. Just wet your skin and just put this, wait for around 2 to 3 minutes, and then start scrubbing it, and again wait for a few minutes, and then rinse it off. I have this is my fourth or fifth bottle, I guess, and I'm loving this product like anything, because it actually removes all your dead skin and the kind of roughness you have on your skin. It removes that. It smoothens your skin like anything, and the coconut oil does its work so very perfectly that you don't even need a moisturizer after your bath. So it's a perfect blend of ingredients to give a perfect outcome which the company is claiming. You get exactly the same, so the claim matches the experience which you have. It is good for normal to oily skin, which has been mentioned on the bottle as well. In case you're having dry skin, I do have a dry skin, but I'm still using this, and I am not facing any issue with that, because the moisturizing agent is so very good that it wouldn't dry your skin at all. And the scrubbing effect is amazing, and the smell, it automatically rejuvenates you and awakens you. So perfect for use for any kind of skin, though it is mentioned only for normal to oily skin. Even dry skin people can also use it. Do give it a try to this particular product, guys. It's an amazing product. It this particular bottle weighs around 100 gram, and it would cost you around 337. In case if you're using it twice a week, it would last you for say 2 months. Maybe it'll last you for 2 months. That much of quantity you would need for your whole body. It's an amazing product. Give it a try and let me know how you feel about it. And in case you need any information about this particular product, put them in the comment box. In case you have any suggestions for me, please mention them as well on the comment box. I'm happy to receive them. Till my next video and next review, stay tuned. Do take care of yourself and have a good health. Do take care. Bye.